Hey there, future creators! Welcome back to AppInsight AI. Want to turn your text into engaging videos without spending hours on editing or huge bucks on software? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to Fleeky AI, one of the top free AI video makers of 2024. Whether you want to create videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even business presentations, Fleeky AI has got your back. Oh, and stick around until the end, because I'll be showing you how you can use Fleeky AI for free forever, with a neat little trick I'm going to reveal later. Also, stay tuned because I'll be previewing my finished project at the end of this video. You definitely don't want to miss that. So, without further ado, let's dive right into Fleeky AI and show you step by step how you can start creating amazing videos with zero editing experience. First things first, let's talk about what Fleeky AI is. If you haven't heard of it, Fleeky AI is a powerful video creation tool that transforms simple text into videos using AI-generated voiceovers and media. And the best part? You don't need to be a video expert, and you can do it all within minutes. You can create social media videos, marketing content, tutorials, and even podcasts all in one place. To get started with Fleeky AI, you first need to head over to their website, which is simply Fleeky AI. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a clear button that says Start Creating for free. Go ahead and click that. Now, Fleeky offers several subscription plans, but don't worry, we're focusing on how to use it for free. When you sign up for a free trial, you get 5 minutes of video creation per email, and I'll show you how to stretch this free usage out later. Click on Continue with Google to sign in, or simply use your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Fleeky dashboard. Simple and clean, right? The Fleeky AI dashboard is super intuitive. On the left side, you'll see options like Home, Files, Templates, Voice Clone, and Brand Kits. Let's start with the Home menu. When you click on Home, a pop-up window appears with 3 options: Video, Audio, and Design. Here's a quick rundown of each. In the video section, you can start your project using options like Idea Prompt, Script, Blog, PPT, Product, Tweet, or Empty. In the audio section, you can create audio using Idea Prompt, Script, Blog, or by starting from Empty. In the design section, you can create a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, or even a presentation, or simply start from empty for a custom design. Now, let's create a video using the Idea Prompt option. Once you click on Idea Prompt, you'll need to enter your video title. For example, here's a highlighted title: Motivating Video on the Benefits of Eating a Healthy Diet and Exercising. For this tutorial, I'm generating a video with the title The Benefits of Eating Mangoes, and I'll click the Next button. Next, we'll select the aspect ratio. You can choose from landscape, portrait, or square formats, depending on whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. I'll go with landscape 16:9 ration, which is ideal for YouTube videos. After that, Fleeky will ask you to select a language for your video. One of the best features of Fleeky AI is its support for multiple languages. I'll choose English for this tutorial, but you can pick any language from the drop-down menu. Once that's done, you can choose between AI-generated media or stock media for your project. For this video, I'll go with stock media to keep things simple. Fleeky will automatically select images and videos that match your text, but you can always swap them out if you prefer different visuals. In the Templates section, you can choose from various templates. For example, here's a preview of one featuring a lady, and here's another with a gentleman. Wow! Next, let's talk about the AI avatar feature. This is a fantastic tool because it adds a human-like character to narrate your script. You can pick either a male or female avatar and customize its appearance and position on the screen. Pretty cool, right? In the More options, you can even add sound effects to enhance your video. Once you've customized everything, it's time to generate your video. Click the Submit button, and Fleeky will start compiling all the elements, media, subtitles, and voiceovers into a finished video. This process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on the length and complexity of your project. On the left-hand side, you can adjust the background music. If you want to change the scene, you can use the auto-generate feature. For example, I'm clicking on auto-generate, and boom! You can see here how the scenes are auto-generated for you. Next, we'll select the AI voice for our video. Fleeky offers tons of voice options, both male and female, in various accents and languages. You can preview each voice before making your selection. I'll go with a neutral American English voice that sounds friendly and engaging. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to make your content feel even more personal, you can use Fleeky's advanced voice cloning feature to clone your own voice. Just follow the prompts to upload a sample of your voice, and Fleeky will handle the rest. On the right-hand side, you can adjust the subtitles. In this case, I've already turned the subtitle option on. You can customize everything related to the subtitles, including font, size, and color, to match your brand or personal style. By default, Fleeky generates subtitles from the text you provided. Now, if you look at the settings option at the top, you'll see some additional controls. Here, you can adjust the gap between scenes in seconds or change the aspect ratio. For example, let's switch to Portrait 9:16 ratio, which is great for TikTok. Once you've made your changes, click Save. Now, you can see the TikTok-friendly ratio in action. I'll switch back to the original landscape aspect ratio for this project. After you've completed all your settings, it's time to download your video. Click the download button, and you'll see resolution options: 1080p, 720p, and 360p. I'll select 720p for this my project because 1080p is for available only for paid version. Click Start Export and then Start. As you can see, our video is now processing for download. You can preview the video or download it directly from here. Now, my video download is complete. As promised, let me show you the project I just created using Fleeky AI. Here's a preview of my video about the benefits of eating mangoes.
Did you know mangoes could transform your health? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why you should eat more mangoes. Mangoes are packed with vitamins like A, C, and E. They boost your immune system and improve skin health.
You can see how easy it was to create this engaging, informative content with just a few clicks. Now, before we wrap things up, here's the best part. If you want to use Fleeky for free forever, here's a clever trick: just create new email accounts. Since each account gets 5 minutes of free video creation, you can log in with different emails to extend your free usage. This way, you can keep creating videos without paying for a subscription. Cool, right? And there you have it. Folks, that's how you use Fleeky AI to create professional quality videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves making videos, Fleeky AI is a must-try tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content. And if you're interested in upgrading your plan, check out the affiliate link in the description for a special discount. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing videos you'll create using Fleeky AI.